right now you got Young Thug and them going through sort of like the same thing.
Yeah.
Do you feel like it's kind of any similarities in those two situations?
You know, I haven't really researched Young Thug case. I was just hoping that maybe his name was big and, you know, they just put him in there, because I hate to see any guys that's in that type of position that get caught up in that. But I can't, I don't know what type of weight Young Thug really carried compared to who my father is and what he was doing in the city. I knew that that my father was influential. I could see a lot of the things that he was doing on why he would cause those, well, you know what, I can't even say that I see why he would cause the interest that he caused in those people, because he was doing a lot of good, you know, but the good wasn't looked at. It was the part where he came from being poor and deal what he had to do as far as struggling was concerned.